Hi guys, Andy from Crypto Deals here, and today I want to show you a new project called XRP Cash One. And as of right now, it's on pre-sale on Pink Sale Finance, yeah. And the project looks really solid, yeah. As of right now, there's 1 day, 6 hours and 54 minutes left to buy it on pre-sale, and a good indication, that a project can be really successful is this year. As you can see here, they were looking to get 50 BNB, but as of right now, they already have 423 BNB raised. So this is a good indication that this project could be really successful, yeah. It's also, it has been audited and KYC, so that's very good, guys. And you can see here, renouncing of ownership after pre-sale, holders will earn 3% of XRP on each trade, okay? So let me show you. First of all, guys, here the KYC. So one team member of the project has successfully completed the verification process at Pink Sale. So this check mark, okay? Then the contract or the project has been audited, and as you can see here, I mean, it's a longer audit, but I will just show you the most important parts here. Findings breakdown, as you can see here, critical, medium, minor issues like 000. So this looks pretty good, guys. And let me show you the white paper, what it's all about. First of all, basically you buy the tokens, and as always, guys, if you participate in a pre-sale, there are two things that you can do. Let's say, first of all, if you buy it really early on pre-sale, then you can just sell the tokens. For example, if the price goes up at the beginning, and you sell them with the profit, that's the idea. Or if you really like the project and you think it's going to be successful in the future, then you can basically just hold the tokens and hope that it develops pretty good and sell at a later point, or just hold. As in this case, you will get 3% of XRP in rewards. Okay, so let's say these are the two things that you can do if you participate in a pre-sale. And as you can see here, we will have a big burn on the 10th of August. 10% of the supply will be burned. So if you don't know what it means, let's say there's the circulating supply, and if they burn 10%, the price of the tokens will go up, yeah. And as you can see here, holders will earn 3% of XRP on each trade, yeah. So that's how this should make money, yeah. And also because, let me show you the homepage here, there's a 7% buy and sell tax later, yeah. On pre-sale, now there's no sell tax, no buying tax. But if people sell later, there's a 7% tax, so that's also how they make money, yeah. So that's how it works, guys, yeah. So guys, as always, not a financial advisor, I'm just here to show you those projects. So guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, put them down in the comments, and see you.